Today we will do 2 digits addition.
Today we will do 2 digits addition.
For example, this is a ones place. This is a tens place. Starting from the right, the first digit will be at ones place. The second digit at tens place. 3 plus 5 is equal to 8. 6 plus 1 is equal to 7. The answer is 78 by adding 63 and 15. 2 plus 1 is equal to 3. 1 plus 5 is equal to 6. The answer is 63 by adding 12 and 51. 4 plus 3 is equal to 7. 3 plus 2 is equal to 5. The answer is 57 by adding 34 and 23. This question for you all. 22 plus 22 will be. You should do it yourself. Watching. Like. Share. Subscribe.